What would you prefer? Uh, Cold calling or your clients booking calls with you in order to talk to you? Now, I'm pretty sure the obvious answer is कि अगर clients हमारे साथ calls book करेंगे तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा because that's more productive. You are then talking to at least a 10% or a 20% interested party. Now, जब भी हमारे पास एक रिक्वेस्ट आती है टू फॉर इंक्वायरी आती है तो हमारा पहला रिएक्शन क्या होता है? भैया फोन उठाओ, उसको फोन घुमाओ. Why don't you take a breather and actually ask or request the customer to connect with you via setting up a meeting with you? Okay, so that you can understand, are you the right fit for them and are they the right fit for you? But हम लोग ऐसा करते नहीं हैं. We never set up that meeting because we are in too much of a hurry to kind of connect with the customer, connect with the customer, connect with the customer. सिर्फ इतना ही चल रहा होता है. So today I'm going to give you a tool that will actually make it possible. Yes, it will kind of slow down the number of phone calls you do, but phone calls actually just keep you busy. They do nothing more than that. So go from being busy to being productive. So let's jump into the screen. And before we jump into the screen, my name is Amit Husu. I'm a solar growth hacker and a digital strategy for solar specialist. And you can connect with me by setting up a meeting with me. Okay, let's jump into the screen. Now, if you see the screen right now, you will see a tool called X.AI. Okay, all you got to do is go to a browser, whether it's Chrome or Firefox or Brave or any other browser that you have, and type X.AI. So this is what will come up if you see that. Okay, this is what will come up, and all you have to do here is put in your email ID over here. Now it will create an account and it will be X.AI home, and my account is created, so this is how it will look. As soon as you create that account, this is what it will look like. Now, this is not what I wanted to show you in here. What I wanted to show you is the ability of this software to help you get those appointments. As and when you go ahead and connect, first time connect with your, or second time connect with your client, what you can do is you can request them, hey guys, or hello, can you if required, please set up an appointment with me. Now there are two ways of doing this. Number one, you go to this schedule appointment and copy and paste the link. So I have created multiple options for myself. Phone Amit is a 15-minute appointment. Meeting with Amit is 45 minutes. Lunch is 1 hour. Coffee and virtual are again 45 minutes. You can go ahead and create these with the templates section, and this is what will happen. Let's say I take Phone Amit. So this is the link. This is copied. I close this. I go to my Gmail. Okay, let me put this Gmail, and I've kind of made this email, and what I do is I paste this link over here. That's it, done. When I send this email, this link would be active and the customer can click, and as soon as they click this link, they will go ahead and see my calendar page. Now, if you give a lot of options to your customers, they kind of don't take any. So how about restricting those options? हम लोग जब भी एक मीटिंग सेट करते हैं, सर आप would you be free on Monday or Wednesday? When it's not an open-ended question, it's a close-ended question. You're giving only two choices to the customer. Okay, so when you ask that, they invariably take one. Instead of saying I am not busy, they will say, "Acha, Wednesday ko baat kar lo." Okay, if you are available Wednesday, are you available at 11 a.m. or 3 p.m.? So when you give these kind of choices to customers, they invariably take those choices. Now, there is a beautiful function in X.AI, which is completely free of cost, where you can give those limited options to a customer. So this is what you have to do. Go to the schedule meeting tab, click it, copy and paste times. Now, depending on which meeting you are setting up, for example, meeting with Amit, it's a 45-minute meeting, okay? And I will select options, 3 days on which I want the customer to talk to me. Either they can talk to me on 17th, okay, 20th, or 22nd. So these are the 3 days they can talk to me. I've already set up this system over here. Finish and copy times. Now I've finished it. I close it. I go to my email where I have already set up an email and I paste it. See the magic that happens now. Here, this is the calendar that goes to the client. Now, when this kind of calendar goes to the client has options of choosing from 9 meeting slots. So what happens is they end up clicking and setting up that appointment. So instead of talking to your clients and calling them as soon as you get information, use this tool. Now, let's see what happens over here. I will send it to myself, okay, from one email ID to another. And I'm in Amateur. Let's me send to contact@solarcompare.co.in. That is my email ID over here, and subject is rooftop solar meeting. Okay, so now this is rooftop solar meeting. So here we see that the email has come in. Here is the email from Amit Tusu, rooftop solar meeting. Okay. So this is where I open it. As soon as I open it, I have these options. So as soon as I click on any option, so Tuesday, April 20th, 3:30 to 4:15 p.m. is the available time. So I click it. What happens? A tab opens where I have to put in some details and schedule a meeting. Now, isn't it much better than going ahead and calling people when they don't pick up your call? Wouldn't it be better to have more people book an appointment with you rather than you running around and calling people left, right, and center and becoming a call center executive? By the way, my first job was in a call center, and I used to make about 200 calls a day. But again, that was not a very glorious time for me. Gala kharab ho jata kafi baar. So point is, convert your sales process to an inbound process rather than an outbound process. There are tools, systems, and strategies available to do so, and they're available dime a dozen. This is just one strategy that I'm giving you right now. Apply it for 15 days, 2 weeks at a stretch. Stop calling your customers. Apply this strategy for 15 days. If you don't have enough contacts or meeting setup in your calendar after a period of 2 weeks, okay, stop doing this and resume your original method of calling people and being engaged for the entire day rather than being focused on productivity. It does take some time initially to kind of set up and get you getting accustomed to it. That's why I said 2 weeks, but give it that time and you will not regret it. In any case, if you want to book a call with me, there'll be a link in the description or the first comment, and just click on it and you can book a call with me. Take care and see you around. Bye-bye.